Broadcast Jamaican now give the news in the Jamaican language.
Wagwan people, this is Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, me give the headline them. Kim Matthew Duncan, who did go in a one building where did a burn down go save one blind man, get one badger Anna fi be brave pan National Heroes Day. Police shot and kill one man who in a one religious group when he in Pathway Internal Restoration Saturday night in a Albion St. James. Mark Golding, who are the leader for the People's National Party PNP, said if them win the next election, them are going to make some change at the Students' Loan Bureau, SLB, so people can borrow more and make it easier for them pay back the money. The police are reported them find 13 years old Winshay Barrett alive. She had the second girl who did go missing in a St. Thomas. Make sure you follow our YouTube page Broadcast Jamaican to hear more news and like the video after you done listen. Now for the full tour of them. Kim Matthew Duncan, who did go in one building where did a burn down go save one blind man, get one badger and a fi be brave for National Heroes Day. Him the amongst 215 people who get big up at the ceremony for investiture and presentation for the National Honors and Awards we keep yesterday. Him did save the man pan March 6, 2021. As according to Mr. Duncan, him did see the house a burn down and him know say him neighbor blind and could help himself so him go in there. Him say him see the old man pan the floor in the kitchen and him carry him outside. Him say him never expect to get no award. Dwight Anthony Moore get one badger and a fi be brave too after him save one policeman who gunman did about some shot offer on August 9, 2020. The shooting go on near the place where Moore work in a crossroads St. Andrew. Police shot and kill one man who in our religious group when he in Pathway Internal Restoration Saturday night in Albion St. James. 2 other smaddy get killed at the church before the police come and 3 smaddy in a hospital. As according to Senior Superintendent Stephanie Lindsay, who are the head for the Jamaica Constabulary Force Carpet Communication Unit, little before 9 in the night, them get one call say people are get killed at the church. When them reach, some people start bust shot pan them and them bust back shot. The police said them find one gun when nobody have license for. On top of that, them lock up the leader for the church and some other members. One woman police get locked up who did dead. The police are going to ask her some questions because reporters say she did take part in a wagwan too. Mark Golding, who the leader for the People's National Party PNP, said if them win the next election, them are going to make some changes at the Student Loan Bureau, SLB, so people can borrow more and make it easier for them pay back the money. Him did a talk at the party 83rd yearly conference we keep yesterday, and him say people would have to pay back only 15% of them pay a month time. Plus him say people wouldn't have to start pay back the money until them get a work. Right now, people have up to 14 months until them have to start pay back the money. On top of that, Mr. Golding say government are going to cut out the guarantor system where smaddy have to stand security so them are going to pay back the money if the smaddy will borrow it no pay it back. The police are reported them find 13 years old Winshay Barrett alive. She had the second girl who did go missing in a St. Thomas. The little girl did go missing in the Bath community on Saturday evening and them find her in the Springbank area in the parish. Last Thursday, 9-year-old Felicia Prosha did go missing after one man take her away. She did get found back Saturday afternoon in some bush at Arcadia district. The St. Andrew South Police said them asked everybody help for find 2 men who did involved in the October 7 killing of 5 years old Denique Salman in a New Haven in a St. Andrew. The man them a 30 years old Theodore Bearer, who one bus conductor who come from 52 Duane Terrace, Kingston 20, and 29 years old Neil Reynolds, who people call Son, who come from Marlborough, New Haven address. Salman did the woman sleep in her bed in a Riverside Drive in a New Haven around 1:11 a.m. when gunmen about shot off at them one another and kill her. News from foreign. One-time Secretary of State Colin Powell dead. Him been born in America, but him parents them come from Jamaica. Him family put out something say him dead from some problem after him catch corona, and the family said them thank the people them who work at the hospital who did take care of him. Powell did a one Republican, but him broke away from him party and support Barack Obama in 2008. Him did serve as chairman for the U.S. Joint Chief of Staff, National Security Advisor, and Secretary of State. People, remember the curfew from 8 p.m. in the night to 5 a.m. in the morning. Me name Kadeen Marshall, and that are the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Broadcast Jamaican just give the news in the Jamaican language.